Buddy, my name is Thomas. This is the second time I'm recording this. Things went a little haywire. All right, but let's see. I did a photo shoot with my friend for a magazine. This is Blanca, and the magazine's not crazy about the dress, and they would like to have the picture more of a landscape instead of a vertical. So we're going to change those things. By all we're doing is going to be using the generative. Oops. So let's see if we can make. Let's see if we can do this way. We're going to do a 5 by. Oops. But we're going to go maybe instead of 5 by 7, 8 by 10. How about 16 by 4? Ooh. All right, we're just going to make this giant, and we're going to go like this. Perfect. And we'll put her where you're never supposed to put her in the center. So let's do that. Somehow they got the background. All right, let's come over here to the rectangle tool, and we're going to generate this, and we're just going to do generate fill. See what happens. We'll put this on the left side. I didn't really pick very much. And see what happens. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the dress pink. Oh, wow, that actually turned out really nice. And let's do this side. Oops, let's make sure that we're on this, and we're going to generate fill, and we're going to generate what's on this side. Let's see what happens. I kind of do like the whole thing. It's thinking. Wow, that actually turned out really well. I need to replace the sky, but let's see what we can do. All right. I actually like this. All right, let's do this. We're going to Command or Control E and Shift E to collapse, and then let's in here and let's replace the sky because I don't like the gray. I don't like that. I wonder if I could do this the other way. All right, let's do this. Let's see what this one looks like. That's pretty good. No, I like this one the best. All right, there we go. I don't want to be overthinking this. And let's do this. Oops, I should have gone with. Never mind. Good enough. Wow. All right. Let's see if we can do something. All right. That is pretty darn good. That is pretty. Let me close this all down. There. Let's go in here to Command or Control L, and let's do this. Wow. I know that you shouldn't pick the autos. I know. I'm hearing it now. But that turned out to be a much better picture. You know what? Let's do something fun. So let's go over here, and let's go over here, and let's add a white horse. See if this comes up any cool. You know, let's see if this is actually any better. Huh. Ooh. Wow. I don't know what these are, but we're just gonna. That's a pretty good. I like that. Boy, that just solved 1,000 problems. All right. Wow. This just changes photoshopping forever. Hey, thank you very much for watching.